Welcome to Absentee Booking, the simplest reservation system for hotel owners. Let me show you how easy it is to use. The software's main tabs are New Booking, Guests, and Settings. When you first log in, you'll want to set up your rooms. Go to Settings, then click on Rooms Management. Click Add a Room and enter your room number, room type, and price. You can change the currency to match your local currency at any time. Select the bed type, then click Add Room. You can add as many rooms as you need. The system updates automatically as you go. To make a new booking, go to the New Booking tab. Enter the guest's name, email, and phone number. Select the check-in date and checkout date. Choose the room number you want to assign them to. If the guest has any special requests, add them in the notes section so you don't forget. You'll see the total amount at the bottom, showing how much the guest needs to pay. Click Create New Booking, and you're done. Viewing reservations. Go to the Reservations tab to see all your bookings. They're organized into active, canceled, and completed reservations. You can export your reservation data to Excel at any time. Dashboard Overview. The dashboard gives you a complete view of your hotel's performance. You can see your current occupancy rate and total revenue. Today's activities show you which guests are checking in. Outstanding payments are displayed clearly. When a guest pays, simply click Pay, and the system updates your revenue automatically. Calendar View. Switch to Calendar View to see all your bookings for the entire year at a glance. You can scroll through months to see which rooms are booked and when. Managing guest check-ins and checkouts. There are multiple ways to check in a guest. You can do it from the Reservations tab or directly from the dashboard. Simply click the check-in button next to the guest's name. The system updates instantly. When a guest checks out, click the Checkout button. The reservation automatically moves to the Completed section. You can also cancel reservations at any time from either location. Guest Management. The Guests tab stores all your guest information in one place. Use the search function to quickly find any guest by name and view their complete booking history with your property. That's Absentee Booking, a simple, powerful reservation system you can use on your phone or computer. No complicated features, no Excel spreadsheets, just easy hotel management.